I need a wiring diagram for a KitchenAid refrigerator model KFXS25 Rival 4.
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I purchased it in 2013.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Yes, I have water to the water dispenser in the door but none to the ice maker.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Okay, here is the wiring diagram you requested, but I doubt it's really going to help for your issue. I have attached it below. Probably the best thing to do is determine if the ice maker isn't cycling and calling for water, or if water isn't actually making it to the refrigerator. First, make sure the freezer is below 10 degrees because the ice maker will not cycle if the temperature in the freezer is over 10 degrees. Next, fill up the ice maker with a cup of water. You'll probably need to use a turkey baster to fill up the ice maker since it's a tight area, and wait 24 hours to see if it cycles and dumps the ice. If it doesn't cycle, replace the ice maker because it's just bad. If it cycles but doesn't fill up with water, either your fill tube above the ice maker is frozen, or the water valve has failed. The water valve is located behind a vent panel inside the back of your freezer. Below is a video on how to access and replace the valve so you can see how to access the valve. Click here for valve video. There are 3 hoses going into this valve. Disconnect the left top hose coming from the white plastic connector. That is the hose that goes up to the ice maker. Blow through the water line and see if it's clear. If it's not clear, you need to remove the ice bucket and point a hair dryer above the ice maker toward the back to thaw out the fill tube until you can blow through it. Keep the hair dryer moving so nothing melts. If the water line is clear on the other hand, replace the water valve. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Can you also send me a parts diagram? How many water valves are in the fridge? Online is fine.
Below is a link to the parts breakdown for your unit. There is a valve down below the refrigerator on the back. This is a single valve that cuts water out to the ice maker and the dispenser. Then there is a dual valve behind the back panel inside the refrigerator section that I mentioned before. So 2 total valves. Click here to see parts breakdown. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open and unrated. Is there anything else I can help you with?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.